Welcome you all to this video. As we all know that the half yearly examination is already started from 10th October and we are here to know what are the steps to be followed for the copy correction with the help of laptop or PC. So for that first we will go to the Google browser and then we will type Google Classroom. Then we will select the desired class. Then we will go to the classwork section. Then we will search for the question paper which we have uploaded, and there we will find two options, that is turn in and assign. So the student have submitted their work with the help of this turn in. You will find the attachment, the PDF, the photos which are uploaded by the student. We can select the work of an individual student. Say in this video I am taking this one. Now it's time to how to perform the corrections online. So you will find that there is a plus button at the top of the page and it is for add a comment. Just click on it and drag the position. Say you want to check the first question. As soon as you click on this add a comment button, you will get a plus mark in place of the mouse, and if you want to add any comment, if you want to make any rectification, if you want to highlight those point where student have make mistake, then you select that point, drag them, and you can write comment to it. Suppose if there any spelling mistake, you can mention there is a spelling mistake, as well as you can also mention the number which the student will get. Say I am giving 1 out of 2 the student in this question. Then click on this comment button and it will be posted. Now we in this time we are having option of comment bank. We can create a comment bank. This is for those if the number of mistake are similar for every student, so we can create a comment bank in our browser. So to create a comment bank, we can see that there is three dots as a corner, and this is more option. To click on this more option, then there is a last menu is there, that is add to comment bank. Just click on this add to comment bank and this comment will be added to comment bank. And if you want to check what are the other comments are there in the comment bank, just go in this side. Just there is a option that is grading and second option is the comment bank. Just click on this comment bank. Then we will have different types of comments which are already meant in the browser. Again, we can also provide number with the help of this add comment section to each and every question, particular question on this page. Say if I want to give this mark separately, if there is no mistake in any question and you do not want to write any comment, you simply want to put numbers, but which we are doing in the physical copy correction, we are providing numbers to each and every questions. So we will just put the put the individual marks to each and every question, then click on the comment again, then we can add this to the bank. Now if anytime you find and you want to make any changes in the comment, so how to do this? So again go to this three buttons, three dots. There is option of edit. Just click on this edit button and we can edit it. Say if you do not want to add the marks over here, then we can edit it, and finally we can save it. If you want to remove the comment, then again go to three dots, then there is a delete option. We can click on this delete and we can delete this comment. It will be deleted. Okay. In this way, we are going to check the copy online with the help of this add comment section. Now, finally, after giving numbers to each and individual questions, there is a grade section. Just click on this grading. Then there is a grade section in which we are providing the total marks. Suppose this student get 25 out of 25, so I will put the marks that is 25 out of 25. Just sum up all the values which we have provided individually, question in individual questions we have provided. And there is another section that is private comment. If we write any comment over here, the student will get notified, but that comment will be privatized. That will be not meant for that page which we are having. This page, this is not meant for this, which if you write any comment in this private comment. So it will be better to write a comment by clicking on this add comment button just at the top up, and just select the area, drag it, select and write any comment. If it is not requiring any comment, just put the marks, whatever marks you want to give. Now, next task is to create an Excel sheet for maintaining the record. Just search for an Excel sheet, make columns such as registration number, roll number, name, and provide the question number, whatever number of question we have given. Just provide the question number, and finally total, and add another column as a remark if any is there. So simply put the registration number, say for example I am taking ABC an example, and its roll number is 39. Her name was Gayatri. If I gave her 2 marks in the first question, I will put 2, 1 in next, say 2 in third, 1 in next. In this way, we are going to provide marks in each and every question, and finally we will sum up all the values out of 25 for subjective, and objective marks will be already downloaded from the Google Classroom. We can import the marks from for the objective from the Google Classroom itself. So we will only have to give marks in the subjective part out of 25. So say this is student get 25 out of 25, we will write 25, and if there is any remark, then write the remark and save it. And if you want, you may save this. For individual class we are going to make, and if you want to make another sheet for next class, say this is for 10th A, and if you want to make another sheet, just click on this new sheet, make another sheet, say for 10th C I am right now making. Just copy these values because the question will be same for all those class. Just copy it and paste it over here, and start writing the name of the student of this class, their roll number, their registration number, and individual marks, and finally calculate the total sum and give remarks, as well as again check and verify from this PDF or picture whatever they have uploaded, that we have provided the actual marks for each and every question. And after having all the corrections, we will again check and verify that the total marks which we have provided over here and whatever there in the Excel sheet must match. Hope all the doubts will be clear. There will be no doubt, and I will be made clear about this copy correction. Thank you.